All right, I've been saying for years that, I'm gonna build a convertible lowrider. Anybody that didn't believe me or thought I was playing, leave me a comment. If you thought I was playing, tell me you thought I was playing. Cause I'm not playing. All right, YouTube, this should be part 3 of the part 3 video. I got the window post in, got it welded in. All right, in order to do this, you have to split the spot welds. Split the spot weld. Let me see if this is the right one. That's this one. So you have to split the spot welds. You got to split the spot weld so you can separate this piece, because you got to get inside of here to weld. You got to get in that inside. So once you split the spot welds, you take this cover off. The posts are the same until after this notch. So you got these notches here. You got one here, you got one there, and there's one here. I cut it at the second notch. Yeah, but I staggered the, I didn't cut this at the second notch too. I staggered it that way I can get in there and weld. Then you can put it back. Spot weld it back in. I need to clean it up and straighten it out and grind the little nibs off of it. But yeah, that's it. Windshield post is in. Once I get this tub and stuff back together, then we'll put that in. But not bad. Got about, including what I did yesterday, got about 3 hours into it. So, and this how it looks. Grind it down. I'm gonna put some black paint on it to protect it. Black primer, I mean. Let's do the other side. All right, I got these pieces cleaned up here so they go back in. I'm about to spray them with some weld-through primer, then tack them back in place. All right, wrapping it up for the day. This is it. That's how it look. Got the chrome for the top, but I originally bought the chrome for the 62, so I gotta buy the sides, but the top is the same. That's how it looks with the glass back in it. One step closer, convertible. All right, get these pieces together. I messed up when I originally got the car and I separated all this stuff. Should have just kept it together. So now I'm tacking it all back together so I can drop it in one piece. So stay tuned, man. You gotta subscribe so you don't miss it. All right, I just got some new screws and put the latches up there. See how it looks. Got the latches up there. Post is done. Next we're gonna get to the back. But I gotta get I gotta get some tips for my plasma cutter, because I'm not drilling the spot welds out for that. So stay tuned, man.